2025 is proper across the corner, and if you've been dreaming of beginning your very own small enterprise, now could be the time to make it happen. Whether you're trying to begin something on the aspect or across full-time, there are plenty of thoughts available that you could make work, but it is able to be tough to understand wherein to begin proper. Well, that's precisely what we re-speak in approximately today. 20 small enterprise thoughts that you could begin in 2025. So let us get into it. First up, we were given customized gifts. Everyone loves something that's made only for them. Proper. Things like custom keychains, mugs, or maybe towels. There's a demand for precise, customized objects. You can, without problems, promote those through structures like Etsy or your very own website. It's now no longer tough to get commenced with this. Simply discover a properly provider for the objects, upload your designs, and you are set. Next, let's communicate approximately handcrafted hair add-ons. We're speaking clips, headbands, scrunchies, you call it. Hair add-ons are a top-notch small enterprise concept due to the fact they're smooth to make and demand. And let's be real, absolutely each person likes to fashion their hair in new ways. Plus, they're a top-notch suit for structures like Instagram and Pinterest, where invisible enchantment is the entirety. Resin artwork and add-ons are truly famous proper now. You can create the entirety from coasters to rings to ornamental artwork portions. This enterprise is particularly top-notch for folks that like to test with special colors and textures. And the marketplace for precise, handcrafted resin portions is large. Who doesn't love a properly tub balm or handcrafted cleaning soap? Soap making is a top-notch enterprise to begin in 2025. It's a distinctly creative, low-cost enterprise that may be scaled quickly. There's a large marketplace for organic, vegan, or green cleaning soap alternatives as well. Candles or any other preferred that simply in no way is going out of fashion. Whether it's scented candles, ornamental candles, or soy primarily based totally ones, candle making gives a top-notch manner to tap into the well-being and domestic markets. They're additionally remarkable smooth to make and promote. T-blouse printing is a classic. With custom prints, you could go specific niches, like sports, hobbies, or maybe me. People love custom t-shirts, whether or not it's for a unique event, a humorous quote, or simply non-public fashion. And the pleasant part? You don't want a large funding to begin. If you've were given knitting or crochet skills, this enterprise may be for you. From relaxed scarves to handcrafted blankets, knitted and crocheted objects are usually in demand, particularly throughout the chillier months. People love that non-public touch, and it's ideal for markets, online stores, or maybe neighborhood shops. Laser slicing permits you to make truly targeted and precise products. You can create custom signs, rings, or artwork portions with a laser cutter. It's an enterprise that mixes creativity with tech, and there's numerous room for growth. An enterprise on this space. Next, we were given 3D printing. This is best for tech fans, or anyone who loves experimenting with new gadgets. You can print custom designs, parts, or maybe the opportunities are infinite. And with the upward thrust of 3D printing technology, it's simpler than ever to begin an enterprise on this space. Journals, planners, and custom stationery are constantly popular, especially with folks who like to live organized. If you were given a watch for layout, this enterprise might be for you. Create stunning notebooks, to-do lists, or bullet journals that human beings will love the usage of each day. Speaking of stationery, are some other superb options. You can create virtual merchandise like planners, calendars, checklists, or even artwork that human beings can print at domestic. It's an smooth enterprise to scale because you don't want inventory, simply lay out and promote online. Stickers are nonetheless certainly considered one among the simplest methods to get into enterprise. People like to beautify their laptops, water bottles, and notebooks with cool stickers. The pleasant part, it's reasonably priced to produce. There are infinite layout opportunities, whether it's humorous sayings, lovable illustrations, or custom designs. Stickers are a superb option. Moving directly to domestic, with merchandise like custom throw pillows, wall artwork, and particular furniture, the domestic marketplace is big. People who spend extra time at domestic are constantly seeking out methods to customize their spaces. If you're into layout, this will be your niche. Next up, greeting playing cards. Everyone wishes a card for birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays, and those are constantly seeking out something that feels a bit extra personal. If you've got a skills for humor or sentiment, designing custom greeting playing cards could be an enterprise you could get into quickly. Jewelry is a conventional small enterprise concept with infinite opportunities. If you're into homemade bracelets, necklaces, or earrings, earrings may be made on a price range and offered at an excessive markup. Tote baggage are each realistic and fashionable, which makes them best for customization. You can create your very own designs or partner with artists to promote particular green baggage. People love the concept of getting a bag that's now no longer best practical. However, additionally makes a statement. If you're an artist or a designer, ornamental wall artwork might be a superb manner to begin an enterprise. From minimalist prints to ambitious abstract pieces, there's a ton of room to get creative. Plus, artwork is constantly in demand, whether or not it's for offices, homes, or maybe shops. Clay is one of these flexible materials that's superb for developing each practical and ornamental objects. Think pottery, earrings, vases, and extra. Handmade clay objects are noticeably popular due to the fact they experience one of a kind. Enamel pins have a big following, and they're a fun, less costly product to promote. These little add-ons can present a variety of personality, and they're extraordinarily popular in style and PA culture. From pins of lovable animals, motivational quotes, or maybe your very own artwork, there's a marketplace for pins everywhere. Lest, however, now no longer least. Let's speak approximately phone. Everyone has a phone, and every person desires to customize it. With a few creativity and a supplier, you can without problems get commenced on this commercial enterprise. So there you've got it. 20 small commercial enterprise thoughts that you could begin in 2025. With those thoughts, you could make a little extra money or construct a full-time commercial enterprise. And the high-quality component is that maximum of those thoughts may be commenced on a budget so that you can begin nowadays and scale as you grow. Which of those thoughts stood out to you? Let me realize inside the remarks below. And hey, in case you observed this video helpful, ensure to hit that like button and subscribe for greater guidelines on entrepreneurship and small commercial enterprise success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the subsequent one.